How to create Instagram highlight without name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on New with a plus button on your profile. Then select the story you want to add in your highlight and press on Next at the top right corner of your screen. Then press on Done at the top right corner of your screen. After you have done that, you won't be able to remove the highlight. So what you need to do is open Chrome and search blank space. Click on invisible character and then click on copy to clipboard. After it's copied, simply open Instagram and click on the highlight. Then press on three dots at the bottom right. Click on edit highlight, which is the second option. After that, click on highlights and delete it. Paste the invisible blank you added earlier and then press on done and you're good to go. This is how to create Instagram highlight without name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.